A new video from Technic Bauer. Today we present to you the brand new function of your LG 2023 model, namely Discover Music. The brand new LG models have a very cool item in the menu, and this is called Discover Music. And that looks like this. This is this item here, Discover Music. And what it is all about, we want to show you today. Who of us doesn't know that? You heard a great song on TV, it's running in the background, you have no idea who it is. Now you have to get your smartphone out, start Shazam or download the app, and then you will find out which interpreter it is. There is a new function with the new LG TVs. In my case I have the brand new model here, the C3, the OLED TV from LG. And this function is called Discover Music. And with this it is possible not only to search for the music in the background. Discover Music you have here, either music to the background or, now hold on, you can sing it yourself here and then watch the result. You don't even have to sing, you can also zoom in and you get the result. The whole thing works here in the background only if you have live TV or HDMI. That means if we click here, you only get the message on live TV and HDMI. Otherwise you can sing and then get this message, which interpreter it is. And we'll show you how it works. And we get the result here. Here we have the Billie Jean, so perfect. Please forgive me my singing skills, I know I'm not the best, but we really got the result here and can go straight up here and listen to the song directly on YouTube. And as already mentioned, this option is also available on television, i.e. if a film is running in the background and the music is playing and you want to know who it is from, this is also possible, as I said. But only on live TV or HDMI, even if you are watching a film via an external source. And because it was so great, let's try it again. I like this function and we start. I hope you'll forgive me again. So it doesn't get any better. He immediately found the song and again the link to it. I think that's a really cool function that LG has come up with. If you have any questions about this great function, then use the comment function, subscribe to our channel, then you will be up to date. Technic Bauer, thanks for watching and goodbye.